Bharti Kakwani. I'm a middle school teacher in a government school in India. And I was born and brought up in the city of Agra, the city of seven wonders, Taj Mahal. I completed my graduation over there, and post graduation I have done in English literature. At present, I stay in the most cleanest city in India, known as Indore. I've been working as a principal, corporate trainer, sales trainer, trainer of communicative English and comparative English since 13 years. I've got privilege to train the teachers fraternity in most of the schools in MP. Like I have been working as a resource person for them. I've been blessed enough to be a part of various international conferences as a keynote speaker, guest speaker, and a global convener.
Uh-huh.
I am on this earth as determined to bring the change in the lives of underprivileged children, particularly through education, because I feel education is a tool which can change their life at 180-degree angle. I feel education in its truest sense is not confined to textbook and classrooms only. It
Mm-hmm.
encompasses a holistic development of an individual's characters, values, and their understanding of the world. Like as an educator, our role is not just to impart knowledge, but to instill values that shapes
Mm-hmm.
the moral compass of our student. I still remember in our childhood we used to have a subject on moral science, which just
Mm-hmm.
disappeared, got extinct with the time being. So it is just their quest that the power of personal touch becomes evident. A personal
Mm-hmm.
touch in education goes beyond merely knowing about the name of every student that generally we do in our class, but it
Mm-hmm.
involves the understanding of their unique backgrounds, from which background they belong to, what are their experiences, what challenges they face, what are their dreams to be fulfilled. It means that being empathic to their needs and aspirations. My karma is to teach students to impart not only knowledge but to impart values, to impart their culture and gratitude into them, to make them a perfect human being, a good human being where they can be proud of themselves, not in terms of education, but they can serve to society in the wider sense, where they can communicate with everyone, where they can spread kindness in the world, and where they can make this world a better place to live in. So biggest blessing I have is my students in my life. So it's not always about sometimes people think, okay, you have class of 40 students and
Mm-hmm.
you need to work on all of them, and if it doesn't work, you take a back step. Okay, it doesn't work. No, it's not like that. Your aim should be like every day, every morning, I have an aim that I have to bring the change in everyone's life, whomsoever I met. At least not the big one, but at least to bring a smile on their faces.
Mm-hmm.
So I never go for like, okay, I need to bring a change of everyone's life. No, even if I bring a change in student of one student life, so that makes a big thing. Like, okay, everyone cannot be Einstein, but at least one can be. And if
Mm-hmm.
we can contribute to bring the change in the life of that one student, I am good to go. That life is not solely achieved through textbook and lectures. It requires a personal touch, the inculcation of values, and an appreciation of gratitude. As an educator, as a mentor, it's our duty to connect with our students on a deeper level, guiding them towards being responsible, compassionate, and well rounded individuals. By doing so, we will not only enrich the lives of our students, but we will also contribute to the betterment of the society as a whole.